here are 5 reasons why you should visit Jewel Blooms. If you are looking for something fresh and unique, you are in for a great treat. We started at Canopy Park and the interactive displays really surprised us. The flowers along Topiary Walk greeted us and prepared us for the beautiful scenery to come. Hedge Maze is the place where you can really capture stunning photos. Look at these blossoms that will greet you as you solve your way out of the maze. This is also a perfect place for couples to have romantic dates. My wife and I really enjoy the romantic scenery provided by the source pool. I'm sure the whole family will enjoy it too. Kids can play and run around while chasing the fogs at Foggy Bowls, and parents can relax surrounded by dancing flowers. Lastly, if you're waiting for your flight or have a long layover, you can relax and treat yourself to a mountain of flowers at Petal Garden. You can end your stroll in style inside the Mirror Maze, where flowers have been added to enhance the kaleidoscopic experience you will surely enjoy. Make sure to visit now as this is only available until 11th of August 2024.